Hi guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm coming to you with an unboxing. I just got my new box in from Willabee and Ward. It always comes with this beautiful tissue paper with their name stamped on it. Really nice. It comes with a jewelry care guide, and then the bracelet is here. So if you give me a minute, I'll open it up so you can see what it looks like. Like each month, it comes with July on the end, showing you the month. And then here's the bracelet, guys. I think it's a very pretty bracelet. It has drums and the stars and the stripes. It has the colored stars. It has a drum. I like that. The explosion. It has a star that says July 4th. It has this star here with the rhinestones. Heart. Can't even see. That's an eagle. You can barely see that. Eagle. It comes with the balloon. I mean, the charms on here are outstanding. I want to show you a close-up of the charms, and I'm looking forward to seeing next month for August, because that is my birthday month. I want to see what that bracelet looks like for August. So guys, here's my short video showing you my new bracelet for the month of July from Willabee and Ward. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please do so by clicking that subscribe button down below, and next to it you see a bell. Click that bell. It's the notification bell. It will let you know every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They are listed down below. As I always say, guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, you guys be blessed.